ho ho! What's up, everybody? As you all know, it's Christmas. So, why don't we make anything for Christmas? Any guesses what we are doing now? We have a bunch of materials. Any ideas? So, I'll tell you. It's a snowman. It's no ordinary snowman. A snowman with rice inside it. Not for cooking, but it would be cool when you have a sock snowman with rice inside it, and if it looks cool too. So the materials, as you can see here, are googly eyes. If you make a small snowman and keep these two big eyes, it might look like what the? It might look like the snowman is saying so. If it's a small snowman and the small eyes, it would look cute. If it had medium eyes, it would look strange. So we don't know how the snowman would go. And a pen cap, some rice, some cloth, scissor, a sock, and some rubber bands. So, shall we start? As you can see, here we have the sock, and let's take the rice. So, you can see we filled rice. Okay, so now the first rubber band comes in. Okay, so you just need that much because we would be splitting this whole thing into two, like this. After we do it, we need to cut off the top and make the hat. So next, we need another rubber band. We fix that over there. Ta-da! I know it isn't that good. We need to do a bit more stuff, then it would be complete. This would be odd, right? What about this? Okay. You need to cut off from here, this much. So, let's chop it off. A portion can be used as a hat. I'll tell you how. Okay, so like this, then you just keep one end together and the other end like this. And here, as I told you, I have a small piece of cloth. And insert the hat like this. Next, you flip the second hat around and voila, you have it. Doesn't this look cool? As you can see, it looks cute. So, why can't we fix the eyes? So that's what we are doing now. So then you just flip it like this and take some glue. Okay. So 2 dots of glue. It already does look like 2 eyes. These aren't the real eyes, but they do look so. A different matter. Okay. And they would mostly look up and then turn. So doesn't it look adorable? Did you forget we haven't stick this yet? Apply a small dot of glue and stick this there. So next, let's put its scarf. I know it's just a piece of cloth, but it'll soon become a scarf. Don't worry. You'll get a cute one. Doesn't it look cute? This is what we are making today. Merry Christmas and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.